Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Connect IQ watch faces on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, so of course you need to be paired with your phone, and now let me zoom out so you'll be able to see the phone. Okay, and now for this video we need to have another app that's not usual and normal Garmin Connect app. It's called Garmin Connect IQ. You can get it from the Play Store or the App Store. Then simply open it up. In here you need to sign in with the same password, but everything should be done automatically. And then go to search and then select watch faces. As you can see, some of them require payment. It's not like that every watch face is for free, but for this video I'm about to pick the one that is completely for free. For example, this one, Zenith. Simply select the watch face that you want and hit the install button. Then click on allow and wait a little bit. Okay, and we can also send notification on the watch that the Zenith has been installed to our device. On the phone, click on Got It, and now I'll show you that on the watch we have it as well, and as you can see it has even automatically applied, and now we have it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.